On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you are not required to invest any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join to find offers to promote. You can join CPA Lead, you can join OGS or any CPA marketing network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is a CPA marketing network that you can find a lot of different offers to promote. It is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for CPA Group and then create a free account. Once you create your free account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. To find an offer, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group, but CPA offers, they are geo-specific. So you have to select a specific country so that you can get offers that are allowed in that country, so that you can promote them to people who live in that specific country, so that they can take a specific action for you to make money. The actions can be to install a mobile app, to enter an email or zip code, or to submit a PIN. Once your potential visitors check any of those actions, you are going to be paid. You can see a lot of different offers and you can see the requirements. This offer, for example, you can see the requirement is that your potential visitors have to install a mobile app. Once they install the mobile app, you are going to be paid $3.29. The next offer, your potential visitors are required to enter an email or zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning $4,500, and you are going to be paid $1.02. You can see it right here. There are a lot of different actions that your potential visitors can take before you are paid. There are a lot of different offers and you can see the actions that are required. So now what we are going to do is that we have to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. You can see all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United States. The payouts are very low, so we are not going to be promoting these offers. What we have to do is that we have to select a different country so that we can get offers that have higher payouts. So you are going to scroll upwards and then click right here. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want, or you can scroll and then select any of the countries that you want. You can see there are a lot of different countries that you can find offers. So any of them that you click on, there are a lot of different available offers that you can promote in that country. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different countries. Any country that you have a traffic source, click on it so that you can get offers and then promote the offers to people who live in that country. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are searching for the United Kingdom. So if you scroll down, you get the United Kingdom so that you can find offers that are allowed in the United Kingdom. So just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you search for the United Kingdom, as a scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see the first offer, you're going to be earning $4.37. The next one is $2.22. You can see the rest. So any of the offers that you want, you can promote it. But before you promote an offer, you have to consider the requirements. This offer, the requirement is email and zip code submit. The next one is credit card submit. And you can see mobile install. So you have to look at the requirements and then find out which of the offers has an easy requirement that your potential visitors can be able to perform so that you can be paid. There are a lot of different offers, so just scroll down and then search for the one that has easy requirements. For example, you can see this offer right here. The requirement is that our potential visitors have to enter an email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £500 gift cards, and we are going to be paid $10.27. So email and zip code submit is very easy. Our potential visitors can be able to perform the action for us to make money. If you want, you can promote an offer like this. There are many others, so apart from the email and zip code submit, any of them that you want, you can select and then promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here, get £500 gift card now. This is the offer that I want to promote because it has an easy requirement and the payout is high. So if our potential visitors are able to enter their email and zip code, we can be paid. It is very simple as that. They don't need to buy anything. So this is one of the best offers that you can promote. To promote the offer, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see This is your affiliate link, and you can see the warning right here. You can see this is the description of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then perform the action that is required so that you can be paid. The website that we are going to be using today to drive traffic to our affiliate link gets a lot of traffic from the United Kingdom. So when you scroll down, you can see the cities in the United Kingdom that you can post and add. You can see a whole lot of different cities that you can post and add in the United Kingdom. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different cities that you can post your ad. You can see in the United Kingdom, if you want to post to a specific country, you can do that. You can see they have England, Northern Ireland, you can see Scotland, and then Wales. Any of these locations that you want, you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. So to get access to the website, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click right here, My Yalsa. Once you click on it, you are going to select home. Once you click on it, you can be able to create an account. You can see right here, register in 20 seconds. When you click on it, you have to enter the details that are required so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ads onto the platform so that you can get people to take action for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, list your business. Once you click on list your business, you can see they get more than 10 million visitors per month, and you can see millions of businesses worldwide, 10 years and counting. They have been in the industry for 10 years, so this is one of the best websites that you can use. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, list your business, click on it so that you can be able to run your ads. Once you click on list your business, you can see they have a lot of different categories that you can list your business. You can see a whole lot of different categories. So any of the categories that is related to the offer that you are promoting, you can click on it and then post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. If you scroll down, there are many others that you can select. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different categories. Any category that you click on, you get to know the subcategories. You can see, for example, food and drinks. You can see they have food, pubs and clubs, restaurants. You can see when you click on health and beauty, you can see the subcategories. When you click on industry, you can see the subcategories. So you are going to go through all of them so that you can get the right category that you can post the offer, so that you can get many people in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter their details for you to make money. In this case, the offer is under the shopping category, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different subcategories under the shopping category. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, the offer is a gift card, so you can see gifts. Click on it. Once you click on gifts, you can see different types of gifts that you can give. You can see a whole lot of them. So you can select any of them and then post your ad. In this case, we're going to be using gift shops, so click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on proceed. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see company name. You can enter any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to enter gift card, so just enter gift card. That is my company's name. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to enter a description. So you have to enter the description of the offer that you are promoting. To get a nice description of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. You can see it right here. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. If you want, you can add additional information to it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a warning to it, so you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you can see this is the warning. Highlight and copy the warning. Once you highlight and copy the warning, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to add images of the offer. You can see right here, company logos. You have to add images of the offer. You can add up to 20 images. You can see 20 photos in any of these formats. You can see you can add up to 20 images. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, put your pointer on the offer image, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on add photo. Once you click on it, you can be able to add your image. You can see it right here. Click on your image, click on open, and the image can be added. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA group, click on copy link. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to enter your phone number. If you want to enter your phone number, you can do that, but in this case I'm going to leave it none. I'm not going to enter any phone number. Once that is done, you can see fax number. If you have a fax number, you can enter it here, but I don't have one, so I'm not going to enter anything. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select address, add or select address. You have to enter an address. When you click on it, you can type any address in the United Kingdom that you want. To get an address, what you have to do is to come on Google and then search for UK address. Once you search for UK address, you can see a lot of different websites that you click on to get a UK address. In this case, I'm going to click on the first one, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this address in the United Kingdom. So you can copy this and then enter it for address. The first one is the street, so highlight and copy this as your address. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see city, county. You have to come back and then highlight and then it. Once you highlight and come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see postal code. So just come back on your fake address. Once you come back, you are going to scroll down and see zip/postal code. Highlight and copy it. Highlight and copy this postal code. Once you copy the postal code, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to preview your ad. So click on preview. Once you click on preview, you can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see everything. So when you scroll down, you can see the preview of your ad. If you want to make changes, you have to click on edit. Once you click on it, you can be able to edit anything that you want. But in this case, I'm not going to make any changes. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and then publish it. So click right here, post your entry. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Different premium options. Do not select any of them. Just go ahead and then post your ad. So click right here, proceed. Once you click on it, you can see you have received your listing. So your ad has been received by the website. They are going to review it. Once it is reviewed, your ad is going to be activated and you are going to be getting traffic from the United Kingdom. The name of the website is yalwa.co.uk. So just search for yalwa.co.uk and you are going to get access to this website so that you can post your ads for free. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.